guys, Miss Charlie here with another review and 3 looks 1 palette using the new Glaminatrix Glamorous palette. I was gonna do 2 looks, but then my friend on Instagram, Miss Nancy, we decided to do a collab using it because she got this palette too. So one of the looks is the collab look that I did with her on Instagram. So I had 2 already done, and then I just went ahead and did the 3rd tutorial with it. So there's 3 looks instead of 2. I really enjoyed this palette, but this is what she looks like. This is the cardboard packaging, and this is an Australian brand. This is the cover. It looks like it is sewn. It looks like a faux leather, really pretty. And then this is the color story, beautiful colors. This is like a rosy gold, and then these here are multi and duochromes. This one is like a green. It has a red base to it. I don't know if you can see that there. It has a red base to it. It's really, really pretty. I think I used every color in here. Yeah, I did. I used every color in here for the 3 looks. This looks brown, but it's a smoky purple, and it's so freaking pretty. I will swatch it for you. Look at that. So pretty. Yeah, it looks brown, but it's a smoky, dark plum, which, you know, goes perfectly with these. These 2 look the same. This one is a little bit more pinky, and this one is a little bit more berry. They are very pigmented. They blend it out beautifully. I had no problems with them at all. I will swatch the shimmers and whatnot for you. I also have swatches on my Instagram. Make sure you are following. I do lots of swatches there. So I'm gonna swatch Twinkle, Dreamy, Belle, Opulence, and then I'm gonna swatch on my thumb, Generous. I'm in the process of doing my nails for Christmas, so excuse that, but here's those. And I'll show them to you also in a mirror. These are so pretty and smooth. You can spray them, you don't really need to. I did spray this one when I used it, I think. I don't know if I sprayed the others, I don't remember, but they're very pretty. And then I'll show them to you in a mirror. You can see that duochrome there for that one. It's got that red base with the green. These are so pretty, so pretty. But I did 3 looks using it, had no issues whatsoever. Everything worked together beautifully, blended beautifully, no patchiness, had no problems with, you know, picking up the colors, putting them on my eyes, them showing, you know, true to color, things of that. Had no issues with it at all. So this is the Glaminatrix Glamorous palette, and if you picked it up, let me know. If you'd like to do a collab look with it, let me know that as well. I love doing collab looks with friends on Instagram and here on YouTube, but I will go ahead and let you see the 3 looks. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.